Hey, what's up guys? My name is John and I'm an emergency medicine physician assistant. Welcome to my channel. I started a new job and as tradition, I have another paycheck reveal video update. I will run through how much money I was paid, how much money in taxes was taken out, just to give you guys a better idea of a paycheck for a PA. A while back, I was called an influencer because I was transparent about my pay. I was openly talking about my per diem income. I had some crazy earning months. I have nothing to sell you guys. Truthfully, it doesn't matter whether you're being a PA or not. If you're in some other healthcare profession, that is completely fine by me. I'm still sharing numbers because numbers are numbers. So I have the real document and we will go in through all of that in more detail. First paycheck reveal video was from November 2020 and my gross earnings and working under 80 hours a week, if I remember correctly, was $4,676.80. We've come a long way since 2019. My second paycheck reveal video was from March 24th, 2022, and my gross earnings from one paycheck was $6,260.80. And so I have my third paycheck right here, fresh off the printer. They sent the first one to my home address. For 2023, my gross earnings from a 2-week paycheck was just shy of $7,000 at $6,949.57, which averages out to somewhere just shy of $87 an hour. I know there are PAs out there making more money than that in the ER, and to all of you guys, I say good for you, good job. Let's continue the journey. So if you extrapolate that one paycheck over 26 pay periods, it comes out to about $182,000. However, my job did calculate my quote unquote salary, even though I am an hourly employee, and estimated it to be $162,000. My true metric would be between 2024 and 2025. See, the total, how many shifts did I work? How many hours did I get? And go from there. Does not include my 401k. I am going to be contributing money into VTTSX. First paycheck is a little weird. The next paychecks are all going to be electronic and they will do all of my deductions. For the taxes, I paid $1,286.21 in federal taxes, $430.87 in Social Security taxes, $100.77 in Medicare taxes, PA state income taxes of $213.35, local income taxes of $86.87, local service tax of $2, and finally, PA unemployment compensation at $4.86, leaving me with a net total, a paycheck of $4,824.64. You can see this is the amount on the actual check. This is plenty of money for a single individual, no kids, I don't got fancy daycare expenses or anything crazy out of the ordinary. I have a house that I pay a mortgage on. I have a car that's almost paid off, student loans that are almost paid off, just living life, going on vacations, traveling. Still lots of good comes from this sort of income coming in every year. Once again, also consider my Airbnb and a few of my other things that I've been doing, and it all adds up. It all contributes a lot to my total net worth. The purpose of this video is to inspire all of you who are in healthcare, who are hitting the books right now, who are looking to advance their career, whether you are a PA student, med student, MP student, in nursing school. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. You guys will be out there working, having a fulfilling job, and making good money. So please look forward to that, and I hope that these videos are encouraging. You guys can also go to my channel and check out the financial section there, whether you're watching in 2023, 24, 25, I don't know, whenever you're watching this video. I'm trying to do every 6 months financial updates. I did one for 2022, told you guys how much I made in the entire year. I also did a mid-season update with just the net worth calculation and how much more that has increased. So go check those videos out. We are on this financial journey together, so let's get there together. And as always, guys, stay safe out there. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.